So today is the end of day 16. So a lot happened today. Um, I was able to get back to my house. So it was a big, it was a drive. Snowstorm, winter. Welcome to Canada. Live north, so whatever's happening down, in the city is not necessarily happening at the top of the mountain. Anyway, so a little bit of snow, a little bit of bad roads. I got maybe a foot or so of snow on the ground right now. Yeah, welcome to the north. But anyway, so got home and again, last night I had maybe a couple hours sleep. I'm hoping that I can do better tonight. Being in my own bed, it's quite possible. But hey, it's just the leg is sore, and everything checks out. So there's nothing happening that shouldn't be happening. It's just I don't know, an ache in the leg. And the best way that I can kind of describe it is when I was a kid, I would have pains in my legs. We called them growing pains. And what we would do is you'd get sit on the countertop in the bathroom and you'd put your feet into a hot sink of water. And it would kind of suck that ache out of your legs when you had growing pains, when you're, I don't know, 12, 13, whatever. But yeah, I had growing pains really bad, and it caused just a couple of those days where you had to, resort to a hot water soak for your feet. And that's the way my leg feels now. My leg feels like that when I was a kid, and it aches. And so I'm wondering. I'm just wondering, like when I was a kid, can I soak my foot in water and draw that ache out? It's just like a muscle ache, or who knows, right? But yeah, it is a little bit of an ache. And that is causing me, issues in sleeping, because I just can't get comfortable. And then you sleep on your side and it torques the knee, and that causes more, problems, right? So that is the position that I'm in right now. So I'm just looking to get past that, ache, so that I can potentially, sleep in a position that I'm comfortable in, so that I can fall asleep and like shit. My plan is to go back to work on Tuesday, working from home, and I can do that with what I do. So that's not a problem. But it's a new company. So I'm at a company where I've only been there 3 months. And so I'm a little leery of, just being in that new position. But yeah, I can do it. But yeah, I was trying to think of how to describe the ache in my leg. And I think that is accurate assessment of that ache. Whenever you were a kid and you had growing pains and your legs were aching, and that is how my knee feels right now. Like not just my knee, but above my knee and below my knee, just that whole from the hip to my foot. And just took a beating, I guess, but that's all part of this, full knee replacement. So it's just it is what it is. And I'm not trying to scare anybody. Everyone's going to have a different experience going through the knee replacement. So I'm doing good. I'm walking now without the walker. I'm walking with a cane. I've been on my feet quite a bit. I'm going through the exercises that they've given me, so that's no problem. It's just 2 steps forward, right? So sometimes it's a step back, but today it wasn't a step back. It was just 2 steps forward. Even though sometimes it doesn't feel like it's a 2-step forward day, it's still a 2-step forward day. So that's that's how today was. I got my family behind me. Sometimes a little close, but they're there. They're helping me out. Yeah, so it's all good. But like it feels better to be in your own home. So I'm hoping that sleeping in my own bed, I'll be able to get to a comfort level that I wasn't able to get to, outside of your house. And even when you go on vacation, you're sleeping in a different bed. You might not get the sleep that you would normally get when you're at your own house in your own bed. And that's kind of, for me, it's kind of normal, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you're the type of person that can sleep anywhere and it's not a big deal. But I'm hoping that I'm getting better than 2 hours sleep, because it's going to be hard working on a Tuesday. If I've got 2 hours sleep and I'm sitting there trying to figure out how to keep my eyes open and get the job done and all the rest of it. But that is my day today, so it's a good day. But I'm optimistic about how I'm gonna sleep because I just I need to get more than a couple hours sleep. And on the ride up here, I was like sitting in the passenger seat and couldn't keep my eyes open. Like where you're just tired and you're just drained and you're just not sleeping, so you're just like, maybe you're a little ornery, maybe it's just it's not you. It's like that commercial, better take a Snickers, or it wasn't Mars. I think maybe it was Mars, but anyway, you're just not yourself 100% when you're tired as as I am, right? But anyway, it's the end of day 16, and on my progression to on my knee replacement progression. Yeah. So anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night. Sleep well. This is the end of day 16.